Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Steam on Linux. So in order to install Steam on Linux, first of all you need to go to your terminal, of course. So terminal, and now we need to type the command like this: sudo add-apt-repository and multiverse, because it is required to install our Steam. Without it, it wouldn't work. We have to type in our password and press enter again. And now, while we are waiting, I have prepared a command that we need to download basically. This is a wget, and this is a link to our Steam package installer that we need to download. So basically we have to press enter. We downloaded it, and now as you can see it is right here, and now we can basically install it. But before it we have to install a gdebi package in order to install Steam in the best way possible. So sudo apt-install gdebi-core wget -y. Now we need to wait, and now we can move on to installing our Steam. So sudo gdebi steam.deb, because this is the name of our file that we downloaded. Now we have to press Y, so it's yes, and as you can see it is installed. Now we can check if our Steam is working. So Steam, we have to wait, and as you can see we have to install another packages. So we can press install, basically it should work like that. As you can see, why we could also press I think enter, but it also will work fine. We have to wait. It will take some time because all things need to be downloaded. But after this I think Steam would launch without any problem. As you can see we are setting up everything, and press return to continue. So now we can press enter, and now we can try to run Steam again. We can close that terminal. It wouldn't be useful anymore. But now, while we are waiting, maybe we'll try again, but new window. As you can see, Unpacking Steam Runtime is in progress. Reconfiguring Steam environment. Because it's the first boot, I think that's why it takes so much time. But we have to wait, and as you can see our Steam is working fine. So that's basically all in this video, and that's how to install Steam on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.